Hey guys, what's up? This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to teach you how I make 5,937 in Bitcoin automatically and for free every day without working. Get ready guys, because today we're going to set up a new passive income stream that will generate money for you while you sleep. So I'm going to teach you guys a very detailed strategy which involves a lot of websites. So you need to pay close attention to understand the process of doing this. I'm going to make it clear and simple so that you guys can learn it easily and implement it immediately so you can start making those big bucks. All you have to do is follow along and watch the whole video, and by the end, you'll have a complete blueprint, a complete guide that you can follow to utilize the strategy I'm about to teach you to start building the life you want. So let's get into it. The first thing I want you to do is to set up your Bitcoin wallet. This is a very simple procedure. You can either connect to a website called coinbase.com and set up your wallet for absolutely free, or you can also visit blockchain.com and do the same thing. Just click on Get Started and this will redirect you to a form where you fill in your credentials and you should be good to go. The great thing is that this process is absolutely free, so you guys don't have to whip up cash to get started on this process. However, if you guys can't decide which Bitcoin wallet is best for you, you can always visit bitcoin.org to choose your wallet. These guys have a form you can answer to see which wallet is best for you. This is entirely up to you, but it doesn't really matter in the long run. As long as you have a Bitcoin wallet, you're all set. Now let's move to the second step. This step will allow you to set up this process on complete autopilot so you can still live your life while still generating money passively. What you need to do is to connect to a few different websites to automate the process. The first website is faucetpay.io, and it is very crucial to connect to this website in order to implement this strategy effectively. Otherwise, it may not work for you, or you may not be able to generate the maximum results that we're after. So what you want to do is head to this site, then click on the sign up button, then enter your correct credentials and make sure to double check. Then make up your personal username as well as the email that you're currently using. After that, the site will send you a confirmation link on your email which you have to validate. Make sure to do this because they're not going to validate your account until you click on the confirmation email. So now that we're done here, the next website that you need to connect to is expresscrypto.io. This is also very crucial to the strategy I'm teaching you guys, so go on and sign up by clicking the button on the top corner of the screen. Make sure to fill in the necessary information such as your username, email, and so on. The most important thing is to enter a valid Bitcoin address because that is the purpose why we connected to Coinbase or blockchain, so that we can have a Bitcoin address that we can use to link our Express Crypto account as well as our Faucet Pay account to this Bitcoin address. This is mostly how your Bitcoin address will look like. It may seem really random, but I assure you it's not. So make sure that you enter the correct info, otherwise you won't be able to take advantage of this great strategy or withdraw your money. So I know you guys want to learn this strategy to make more money, but I also want you to understand what we're doing here. This is really important so that you guys can not only fully appreciate this method I'm teaching you, but also so that you guys can expand to other similar side hustles in the future because of your knowledge of these things. So basically, the reason why we connected all these websites to our Faucet Pay and Express Crypto is so that we can automate the process. By linking our Bitcoin wallet address to these websites, we can receive money passively, without active confirmation, without being actively working on it every second of the day. This means that you guys can chill and enjoy life while still making money. Sounds awesome, right? As of November 2020, the price of Bitcoin is currently around $16,000, and it has skyrocketed since. This is why, in my opinion, it is the perfect time to invest in cryptocurrency. This is a huge opportunity for us to earn money through Bitcoin. I mean, it's an awesome and legit side hustle to start. In fact, if you watch this video till the end and follow my strategy, I'm sure you can start making money for yourself today. So now we're moving on to the third step. Here I'm going to reveal the websites that will generate money for us passively. This means big bucks while you sleep. But just a disclaimer though, if you guys do skip this video and try to figure it out on your own, it can be really difficult. So I suggest you guys stay till the end so we can walk you through the process and you guys can learn how to navigate this website easily. So that being said, all you guys have to do is to connect to oddfaces.corp.space. Make sure to enter the correct info. The second website is autofacer.org and the third website is AutoClaim. These are all powerful pieces of software that you can use to help you generate passive income and build the life you want. Now what you need to do is simply register to all three of these websites, and when you're done, verify the confirmation link that will be sent to your email address. As I mentioned earlier, it is important that you guys validate the email confirmation link so that you guys can set up your account. If you guys do everything correctly, this is what the homepage is supposed to look like. Now in order to set up this process, you'll have to scroll down the page and select a few options. By this time, you should already have an Express Crypto account. This is the reason why we register on this site and sign up, because we need it on this website to start earning money. Simply choose Select Express Crypto Mode, and then we can move on to this section and choose what cryptocurrency we want to receive. I would personally choose Bitcoin as it is one of the most profitable cryptocurrencies today. But you guys can always choose otherwise. There are plenty of options available here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose that. There you go. You'll also have to complete a simple CAPTCHA, because what site doesn't have that, right? Then just click on Start Autoface. Yep, so let's just go ahead and do that now. Let's see where this sends us. So this is what the panel should look like. Basically, what's happening is that you're going to make money, mine Bitcoin like every 2 minutes, and the cool thing is that you don't need to actively work on it or check on it every minute of the day to collect your earnings, because your account is connected to expresscrypto.io, so that alone saves you so much time. So the other two websites, autofacer.org and AutoClaim, work very similarly. They're basically the same. You can even observe it on their homepages. So I'll just walk you through the whole process so you guys can get familiar with this and utilize it to your advantage. So for Autofacer and AutoClaim, just log into your account and you'll see the dashboard. You'll have a lot of options there in this menu on the left hand side. The concept here is a little bit different in that you'll need to earn these points in the free tokens in order to start mining the Bitcoin. Now this is a fairly simple process. Just go over the daily bonus section or the offer walls and watch ads or complete surveys, etc. These actions will give you tokens that you can use to mine Bitcoin once you have a certain amount of tokens that you're satisfied with. The awesome part is that you can just let this system run in the background and not worry about it at all. The crucial part is this. You should, and I repeat, keep your browser on. Don't expect the websites to keep running in the background when you close your browser, because they won't. You need to keep them running in the background for you to generate the money you want. You'll have to do the same thing for AutoClaim. And voila! That's your ticket to financial freedom. Or just more cash, but whatever. So that's it, guys. That's my mind-blowing, awesome strategy that's sure to make you more big bucks in the future while you sleep. If you guys are interested in these kinds of stuff, don't forget to drop us a like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the bell for notifications. Leave us your comments down below. Until next time.